What is a input devices used to the type a text and the number on a document in a computer system. Mean- Means what? What is the inputs of the you your systems to output to return on you, and the keyboard is input devices that allow you to enter a letters, numbers, and symbols into your computer. Means what your keyboard and your laptop keyboard is used to the what is used to the you are enter the letter, number, and character to input to your devices, and the keyboards is a key include to the alphabetical of key and the letter and numbers, and the number keypad and may not be available for a notepad and laptops. And specialized is a key, and the mouse is a cursor to the moving a key and a status of lights. Means what? Two types of basic two types of the input devices to your input to your system. First of all, your keyboard, and second on your mouse. To keyboards and the alphabeticals of key and number pad in such as a mouse is the pointers to give you your inputs on your system. I hope you understand okay, what is the inputs to your system group. This is the fundamentals and basic of your computer application and your means system. Okay, I hope you understand. If you any query, then comment me. Thank you guys for watching this video.